Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Oakley model, OX3144 in color code 02. The color of this frame is pewter. On the temples here, we have an Oakley emblem in black. This is the inside of the frame. The other side of the temple is the same. These are demo lenses stamped with the Oakley logo in black. The style of the frame is semi-rim rectangular. Up here we have an Oakley gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a dust bag, and an authenticity booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.